Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I am here on a Destash mission. This right here, I've already tried to sell in another video a long time ago, and on other places too, and I haven't got any. I've got a couple of people interested, but they haven't gotten back with me. So I originally had these for $25 shipped. I'm going down to $20 shipped. These are the old style Stampin' Up. Let me get a color so you can see it. And they're all good. I can't believe the ink in these are still really good. And a lot of different colors. I will link the other video that I did showing you a little bit more detail of it down below. But there's all different colors. I stamped them out so that I could, make sure that they were stamping good. They're all good. And I did the back too. And I got a couple of ink pads that are not Stampin' Up that I'm putting in with this. This is the Memories dye ink, and this one is this a rainbow? Yeah, it's the rainbow color. I guess I should have known with that. So it's this one, and then this Christmas color, green and red. They're all good. So $20 shipped. And if you want to see the colors up close, I'll put the link down below. But they're the old style. The old style. Now they've coming up with Stampin' Up's coming up with a brand new pad now. It's really different. But this is I think this is the first one they came out with. I'm really not sure, but it's an old style. But the ink, like I said, is still really good. So $20 shipped, PayPal only, US shipping only. So if you're interested, let me know and I'll get these out to you. Thanks. Bye.